You've got all these flexible tools that you think should have been in web design applications forever, but they haven't been.
My name is Andrea Bollier, and I own a creative agency here in Maine.
Audrey Awa. I am currently a freelance designer.
I'm the co-founder of Lumo Design Studio.
Adrian from Australia, and I run a marketing agency.
My name is Shane Griffin. I'm a visual artist and director based in New York City. Primarily work in 3D and artistic live action. I'd say my work's always kind of pursuing a sense of evolutions.
At Studio Linear, we work with musicians and record labels. What has attracted us to the Editor X platform is that ability to take on projects that are going to push us as designers and give the client something very different.
It all starts from a place of expression and experimentation, and for the longest time, I could never make a website because there was nothing that allowed me to attack a website like that. I couldn't go and start just throwing stuff on a page and see if it worked. And then when I used Editor X for the first time, then I knew, I was like, okay, this has it all.
Everything was really thought out, this user experience and this designer experience.
For the most part, it's visual. But then there's also that element of being able to control everything down to the numbers.
It gives you the developer level control in a designer's world.
You're not double handling, you design and develop it at the same time.
And the only limitation is really what you can imagine.
Now more than ever, we're kind of sharing content in so many different ways, in so many different formats.
But from a development point of view, when we're working with 100 different viewports, it feels like it's impossible. If you hand over some of those tools to the designer, you're actually saving yourself not just an hour or two, but like days and weeks.
And that is what sets Editor X apart. We're not limited by templates or structure.
It's got the flexibility to be able to move those sections around.
So you're creating something beautiful at every single level.
And I think our clients expect that. And the website becomes an extension of a client's branding. I've never had this opportunity to build from what can I think up today? What can I dream up?
It's more about just pushing the edge of what we can do and creating the work that we really want to be able to create.
It feels more like an intuitive, artistic piece of software.
The most powerful thing is that you can do whatever you want.